Hey guys, good morning. I know I look so messed up, but anyways, so this video is going to be all about what I'm gonna eat today. Like there's nothing special today, but still I just wanted to make this video to show you guys around like what I'm gonna eat and what I'm gonna do today. So yeah, and also there's another motive that I just want to get rid of my phone for a while because these days I'm really getting addicted to my phone by watching Korean dramas and like scrolling Instagram reels, and it's like a never ending process. So you can also see the dark circles on my face, so I just want to avoid that for a while. So that's why I'm just making this video, and I hope it's gonna be fun so that I can show you guys everything. So let's get started. Now I'm gonna eat my breakfast and let's see what can I do today. Actually get some chicken pieces here, even though it's little, but it's okay, like it's totally worth it. Like I love these noodles and it's also super yummy. And also I'm drinking this drink called yogurt drink. Cup noodles, like they are super costly, like it's 40 or 45 rupees, and it also doesn't taste good. I don't know, but according to my perspective, I don't like eating those cup noodles, but this one is nice, very nice. So hey guys, it's time to prepare lunch. So for today's lunch we have fish fry, fish curry, and okay, I'm gonna show you guys, wait. So this is the local fish that we got from the market, and my mom have already mixed it with some spices and some ingredients, and she kept it in the fridge for a while so that the things can get mixed nicely, and then we can fry it so that we can get a nice flavorous taste. It's a kind of South Indian fish fry, so I'm gonna show you. So here's my mom is making another fish curry which is already in process, and I think it is also gonna be super delicious. Wow. So here's the fish fry which looks so yummy and perfect. I cannot just wait. And here's the curry which looks so colorful and yummy as well. So now I'm starving, I cannot just wait anymore. So let's meet after having my lunch. Hey guys, so I'm back again. So I just finished eating my lunch now, and I wanted to shoot the video while I was eating, but I felt too shy for that because like when I eat I literally messed up
around my plate so it looks so dirty. I'm really a messy eater, I can say. So that's why I didn't shoot at the time, but the lunch was super delicious.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Foreign Explorer, aka Cooking Challenges for today. So my mom and dad, they're gonna eat rice for me. Like we eat rice for 2 times, like in the lunch and dinner. So I just get so bored of that. So I just thought, why don't I make some other thing to eat? So yeah, like every state in India have different food style. Like some people eat roti for dinner, some people eat rice for dinner. So yeah, like, but I don't like eating rice every time. So now I'm gonna make some noodles and I'm gonna eat with mayonnaise. I love mayonnaise, you know. So let's get started. My god, look at these noodles. It looks so yummy.
What the hell?
Hey guys, so I'm done with dinner. Now I want to have some dessert, but I think I don't have any dessert at my home. Oh my god, I'm sweating. So, but I have to find some dessert because I don't know, like since I said that I'm making this video, like what I'm going to eat today and all, I'm just craving for more food now. I don't know. So, let's see what I have. So what can I have for dessert today? Let's see. I have some gulab jamun here, but I can't have it now. Oh, I can have this curd. It's the sweet one. But if my mom will see me doing this, then she will kill me. So let's get this curd. Run. So guys, I stole some curd from the fridge. You know, like my mom, she really gets angry if I eat something cold in this time, because if I will get fever or something like that, and you know, it will be so difficult to go to hospital and all. So that's why she's just a little bit concerned, but I can understand. But also I want to eat all of this, so I stole. It tastes so good. I really like the curd. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you loved it. And it was just a random video, so I had nothing much to show, and I will come with next video ASAP. Bye bye.